Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crying with the Heart, and I am back with, my experience with the is it called Create and Connect? I think it's Create and Connect. The retreat event. So last week I did the La La Land Crafts event, and I'm not done with my projects. Otherwise I'd be sharing them with you guys. And so the projects that you make with the La La Land Crafts they're not just cards. So if they do cards, they're like, more intricate, but most of them are like boxes, and we made an album. And so they're very sort of intense projects. So you do 15 very intense, amazing projects. So I will share that when I get done with my projects. But in the meantime, I'm going to share, I did do everything with this Create and Connect event, and it was a lot. So they give you an amazing book, which helps you kind of get ahead if you need to get ahead, because Friday's intense. Saturday and Sunday are a little bit easier. And like I said, you can kind of get ahead. So this is all over the place. I will say that even though I think some of the project or the things we got in our kit for Friday were amazing, most of them really aren't my style and are probably going to go into my destash. I am preparing for a big destash in a couple of weeks. I just have not had chance. I've been busy at work, I've been busy at home, and it's just been a thing. And I've got back to back events. So I did La La Land Crafts. I'm doing this the Create and Connect, and then I'm doing next week Pink Fresh, which I'm excited about. It's a holiday one. And then I'm doing, I think I have a little bit of time, a couple of weeks, and then I do Conquer the 9th holiday event. That one's, I think, only a one-day event, I think. And then I'm doing another one. I can't remember which one I'm doing. But I'm doing a bunch of things back to back. So I'm going to hopefully have some time this month to do my destash. And it might be in 2 parts. So I might just do what I've got and then go through some stuff again and do another one. I don't know. We'll see. But a lot of this stuff is going to end up in there. But let's go ahead and get started. This is not in any order of what we did it by, so just to be aware. So there was a Close to My Heart class, and so this was what we got in our kit. And then let's see, I did 3 cards. So I did this card and this card and this card. So we did these 3 cards, and that's with this kit right here. And let's move on to let's see, we did put that away. Let's see, I'll do this one. This was a scrapbook.com kit. So we got the stamp. I think I might have got other stuff too, but to make the cards, we did the scrapbook.com. Now I am missing this. I don't know what happened to it, but it's like kind of an unnecessary. I mean, there's so many stems, so I'm not worried about it. And then we got this die. And so what we made was this card, and I made this card. Did I just do 2 cards? Maybe I just did 2 cards. I can't really remember. Okay, so I think it was just 2 cards, I think. Yeah. So these 2 cards, and that was with this kit right here. And then we did, we got a honeybee stamps. So this kit was the stamp set and a stencil. So we got a stencil. So that was kind of cool. So we made this Thinking of You card and this one right here. I think I just made 2 cards. So I did 2 cards. And we did this kit, honeybee stamps. And then we did, I think I only did 1 card. That's kind of like all over the place with this kit, even though I think we made 2, but I think I only made 1. I don't know. I think I only made 1 card. But the kit was this one, which is the occasional tags die. So it has like every occasion on here. It has a pocket and then like 3 sizes of tags. And then this is the birthday tags, but they have these little stamp sets that go with every holiday. They have like a holiday one, Valentine's Day, a Halloween. So different tags that go with that. And so this was the only card that I made, I think, with that one. And then, let's see. Sorry, we've got like all kinds of nonsense over there. This was Elle Studio. So we got this stamp set and this die. And so we made these two cards with that one. And so there was that. And then this right here, which is this stamp set. And then we got to try the foam. So there's that. And then the one that and this is the card that we made. We also got to try a lunar paste, which I really liked, actually. We also got a stencil, this little mini stencil we got also in our kit. We watercolored the birthday cake and used the lunar paste, which I really liked. So I'm keeping the lunar paste, but I don't know that the rest is necessarily my style, but I did enjoy trying something new. So the thing I am taking out of Friday's classes is this. I love this so much. This is totally me. This Your Next Stamp. And we got this super cute little stamp set. We got the dies that go, did we get the die? Yeah, we got the dies that go with this, which is, you know, not a lot of dies. And then we got this little, we got the dies that go with that. And then we got this, like, snow globe. Not really a snow globe. Is this a snow globe? I guess it is. I don't know. But we got that, and it's really cute. Jennifer McGuire did a video for us that showed different ways to use this. So you could, you know, you could probably design different ways and decorate it different ways to use it for different holidays. But I love it. So here's this one. And so it opens kind of like that. So I think I might trim that so it opens a little bit. I'll do it right now. So it opens a little bit better, I guess. Let's see, that helps a lot. So anyway, I love that. We did that. And then we did this one right here. And we did some simple ink blending, and that class was my favorite. And the kit we got was my favorite. But it was just fun to try new things. It was fun to get new things. I think Vicki Boughton did a class, but I didn't do that one. So there you go. Anyway, I'll be back with day 2, which is Saturday's class, shortly. Thank you for watching.